And well, that brings the grand total to, and don't forget to turn those post notifications on because we've got some huge news to share with you guys. But let us know in the comments below, what do you think? So before today's video gets started, we want to go ahead and show you this Auxito jump pack. It doubles as a tire inflator. It's a power bank and it has a bunch of LED lights in it. So it just so happens that our truck has got 2 of the 4 symptoms right now. The battery is completely dead and this tire is almost flat. We're gonna pop the hood, we're gonna hook it up, we're gonna jump this truck off, and then we're gonna set the PSI to 35. We're gonna set it and forget it and air this tire up. Hood's coming up. And it only plugs up one way. So the red goes to the red, the black goes to the black, then you mash the power button right here. We got 91%, the truck should start. And here we go, we're gonna start it right up. So as you can see, this jump box started it right up with a battery that was completely dead. No issues whatsoever. So if you're on a trip, this thing will get you started with a completely dead battery. Now let's see if we can air up the tire. Now I got out our inflation hose and it just screws right in here on the end. So we've got our air pump hooked up and all you do to get it set up to inflation mode, hold down the power button. That's our battery percentage. And then hit the power button once more. Turns on the pump. And then you use the plus and minus to set your inflation. So it's kind of set it and forget it. So we'll come back when we've aired it up to 35 PSI. When it got to 35, it just shut off on its own. So now you can unhook it and then you just unscrew the hose and everything can go right back in the pouch. Then you can just put it right back in the pack. So one thing's for sure, if you're out on the road, sooner or later you're gonna need a jump start or you're gonna have a flat tire, and this thing will help you with both of those situations. One of the things that I like the best about it is you can just throw it in the truck. It don't take up much space. You can charge it back up. It's ready for next time. So if you're interested in one of these jump boxes, we'll leave the link in the description. You can save yourself 20% using the code AJ01 at checkout. Now let's get to the video. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel, and welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage. And in the last episode, we got this 2011 Toyota Tacoma off of Copart. We started doing a little work on it, getting some things painted. We got the bedside stuck back on. I also got this bedside stuck back on. We still got a few parts left to paint. We got to get the front bumper painted, a couple of fender flares, get that all squared away, and then we'll start getting this truck put back together. We're going to break down the price in this video, and we want to know what you think it's worth and how much you think we should sell it for. So let's get straight to work, get these parts painted, see how they turn out. We'll put this truck right back together again. Well, we got everything on this truck all put back together and everything is looking pretty good. But what we want to do right now is clean this sucker up, clean it up on the outside. We want to clean it up on the inside because it's not really dirty, but we want to make it look like a brand new truck. And I've picked up a brand new set of floor mats for this thing. So let's get everything all washed up, cleaned up, shined up, and then we'll break down this price for you to let you know exactly how much we've got in this 2011 Toyota Tacoma. We gave that thing a quick wash and now we're going to give it a quick dry. Then we're going to pull the seats out, vacuum it all out, clean up the inside. We'll catch back up with you after that, show you how it all looks, and we'll start the price breakdown. That was a fun job. We have got this truck all shined up, and man, does this pyrite mica look amazing. I just love this color, and I think we did a really good job blending everything and getting it to match as best we could. So let's hop to the price breakdown. So the high bid on this truck from Copart was $8,500. Copart tacked on $1,123 in fees, and we paid $115 shipping, which made it $97.37 out the door at the house. Before we started, we had trouble matching this color, so we wound up having to buy paint twice. So the paint in the clear coat was $269. And then we bought that used bed on the Facebook Marketplace for $700. It gave us our bedside and our tailgate and our rear bumper. Then we had another $1,278 in parts, which included the headlights, the hood, the fender. That brings the grand total to $11,985. In this 2011 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive with only 105,000 miles on it. This is a clean title truck, and it should be worth somewhere around $18,000, $18,500. But let us know in the comments below, what do you think? Do you think $12,000 is a pretty good deal? This truck was a good amount of work though. We worked really hard, and that paint was a grizzly bear to match. We pretty much blended this truck all over, but it turned out absolutely amazing. And this truck is a jam-up truck with zero issues whatsoever. So I'm thinking we might list it for sale for somewhere around $18,000. And maybe we'll sell it, and maybe we'll find another one or something else, or maybe a Toyota Corolla even. Who knows what we'll find? But I think we ran out of time for this video, guys. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. And don't forget to turn those post notifications on, because we've got some huge news to share with you guys. Can't wait to let you know in the next episode. We'll catch you guys next time. We're out.